name?
Angeline Amadar,
Angeline. How old are you?
19 years old.
19 years old. Are you still studying or working?
I'm looking for a job.
Okay, what kind?
Yes. Like a sales lady.
Study?
Yes.
Okay. So you mean you're stopped at school?
Yeah.
Are
But
you
I'm planning to study next year to
okay.
continue my
So
study.
you're graduating for high school?
Yes.
Good. So if you back to the school, what course you get?
I'm tourism.
Tourism.
Yeah.
Why?
I want to explore around the
Ah,
world.
okay.
Yeah.
So you like to explore like
Yeah.
outside the country?
Yes.
Wow. That is your dream?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So, well, bakit you applying for a job? For the self-lady. Why you decide for applying for self-lady?
Um, for me to have an experience of work,
Okay. So, you're by self, you apply a job or you have another friend?
I have another friend.
Okay. So, you apply a job. What first for going? You have the interview?
Yeah, before we passed resume first,
Okay.
then after they call us to have an interview.
Okay. So, like, how many minutes for interview?
Maybe 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay. Uh, it's hard the question.
Well, if first time, yes.
Yeah. And then you have a feel nervous.
Yeah.
So, what are you doing if you have a feel nervous?
What like I feel ma-trigger ko.
Okay. So, like, how many ladies applying a job?
I don't know. Maybe there are some.
Uh, so, do you apply a job? You have a friend, right? With together.
Yes.
So, it's okay. I back the camera because you have to hold the camera, guys. I forgot the. Itong kuya, gama ko video. Video. So here guys, because it's so hard to hold the camera in the front. So I now in the back. So I will back with you. So you applying a job.
Yes.
So you didn't think you're in the Dumaguete because you're applying a job and then like how many days for waiting for beginning a job?
Maybe it's a week.
Week
Yeah.
for waiting. 1
Yeah.
week for waiting.
Yes. 1 or 2.
So and then you're beginning for a job.
Yes.
So if you're beginning a job, you're renting a boarding house or you're commute?
Commute.
Commute? Okay. You're not like stay in the Dumaguete for renting a boarding house?
Planning for that.
Okay. But the person needs to commute, right?
Yes.
Because the first is you need the money.
Yeah.
Because if you're renting the boarding house, is you need the money for the boarding house and the food, right?
Yes.
I will back with you. Why you stop the call?
I want to provide first I want to help my parents.
Okay. So you mean what is the income your parents? What's the income every day?
Well, akong mama is kuan naman if makatrabaho siya if kuan ay magpalabada then ako ang my mother is a housewife and my father is a farmer only.
Okay. So because my subscriber is foreigner, so with the
Okay.
So you waiting your friends are in the Dapitan Park?
Yeah.
Like how many hours?
It's been 1 hour
Oh my
now.
God. So long for waiting.
Yes.
So what time for your appointment?
3:30 in the afternoon.
Okay. So do you have appointment? Did you eat
Yeah.
the lunch or
No,
no?
I
How about
haven't
the
yet.
breakfast?
I'm done. Done
Okay, but
already.
the lunch you not eat, you not get hungry.
I didn't.
That's why you're still slave.
Yes.
Okay, so are you always going to swimming the
No.
ocean?
No.
No. But you know how
Sometimes.
sometimes.
Yeah.
But you know how to swim.
Yeah.
But you living in Sambuangita, right? You
Yes.
close in the Apu Island.
No, because the Malatapay is close to Apo Island.
So like how many hours to go to Sambuangita going to the Malatapay?
Just a minute. Yeah.
Are you been in Malatapay?
Yeah.
Apu Island?
No, I didn't.
Because it's very nice there. Do you have a
Yeah.
plan someday? Your
Yes.
Because, but it's very expensive the boat for going to the Apu Island, like 1,500.
Oh.
So it's good for you have a friend by the package. So the friend is waiting.
Yeah. Yeah.
You have another friend? So
Yes, that's my friend. I'm waiting.
how about your one?
That was my classmate.
Ah, say hi. What is your name? Ah, Alia Jan. That is his waiting on it, right? That is friend guys, he's waiting. Waiting 1 hour, right?
And
1 hour. We're waiting to your friend is 1 hour.
yes.
Yeah, 1 hour. You're living in Sambuangita? Oh, that's why. Just waiting for a long hour, guys. So you mean you go to the applying a job is free? Tak.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Today, guys, I'm here in co-workers to my friend in Almera. So, what is your name?
Rachel Pastor.
Michelle. So, Michelle, where are you from?
Ayungon.
Oh, Ayungon. So, you decide for working for Peanut for Sale.
Yes.
Oh, and your staff that's called?
Yeah.
What grade your staff?
Mm, actually, ni-graduate ko og kuan kanang senior high.
Ah,
But ni-stop ko kay walay kwarta nga kuan ika-afford sa college.
Okay. It's graduating for high school, guys, and she stop for continue for first year college because money problem.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, do you have a plan for next year to go back to the school?
Yeah.
Okay. Um, what course if you back to the school?
Nursing aid.
Nursing ed. Oh, okay. So, now you're working first because you want to save the money.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Because college is very expensive, right?
Yeah.
So, do you have a plan for if you back to the school for working studying like that?
Maybe.
But working studying is too hard.
Yes.
Uh, you need to be early to wake up because you work student and then after work and then you go to the school and then after the school you need to work. So hard to focus to the they have the assignment right for the study. So you're living in the province, right?
Yes.
Oh, so your parent is from Ayungon. Oh.
Yeah.
And you told me you're the youngest daughter.
Yes.
Oh, I see. So how old your mother?
Mm,
Sila si mama.
I thought 56.
56? Oh, I see. So if you visit to your mother, like how many months? Bago ka
Every
visit sa mama?
4 months.
4 months?
Yeah.
Every 4 months? Oh, I see. Because like how many hours for traveling for the bus? There is bus.
3 hours.
3 hours?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Like, if you visit to your parents, like, how many days you stay there in the province?
1 day and 2 days.
Oh, I see. So, that is your first time a job, peanut for sale?
No.
Okay.
Nakatry po kog kuan na trabaho pa like panimalay,
Okay.
groceryhan.
Here, we have an experience, guys, for working in helper
Yeah.
and then grocery.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Like, how many years for working in the helper?
4 months and the grocery is 4 months.
4 months, 4 months.
Yeah.
And then the helper, how much the salary a month? Once a month.
5,500.
Once a month is 5,500. And here, for Filipinas, how much? How much? For Filipinas, every month, how much?
5K.
5K.
Yeah.
So you mean it's highest the salary in the helper? 5,500.
500.
Why you stop there?
Bisod siya kay dahan kayong like buluhaton ana duway kang makatulog.
I see. I asked the Whistle guys why she stopped for working the helper because helper she told with me is 5,500 is highest. And Whistle told me is very hard working. A lot work and then long hour
Yeah.
and then like what time for your sleep? Going to sleep?
10 to 11?
Huh?
Yeah.
Wow. And they wake up?
5.
Oh,
5
very
a.m.
hard. Because of the sleep guys, 11 p.m. and then wake up is 5 p.m.
Yeah.
Do you mean it's just only you're working there for helper? Oh, I see. All around.
Yeah.
That's why you're working is like 4 months. And after that, you're transferred for working in grocery.
Yeah.
Like, you working the grocery, how much the salary?
60.
It's highest.
Yeah.
6,000.
Yeah, yes.
And then,
But-
what happened?
Same ra Japon sa Panimalay kaso mo duty ko og 6 p.m. to 11 p.m.
Okay.
And then pagka morning mo start na po og 6 p.m. to 3 p.m.
So with me guys, same working helper, very hard working. But if you compare here, you working here in a peanut parcel, is easy here?
Yeah, it's easy. Kay makatulog ramig kuan sayo like inighuman na mo paninda diri pag abot na mo dito igo raming magpalutog ahos ana then mangaon then matulog.
They just told me guys, it's easy working here because only sitting in the chair
Yeah.
and waiting the customer if we have people buy. And then what time for the beginning for sell the peanuts? Sa oras tayo magtulog paligag money.
Kuan 8
8 morning,
almost 8 or 9
9 morning. It depends.
Yeah,
And then the end,
5 p.m.
so good. It's early. You have the time for relax. And
Yeah.
you're going home in the your boss house, only you eat the food there and
Yeah.
then you go to the sleep.
Yeah.
It's very relaxing here. It's compared in the helper and grocery.
Yeah.
No? Hopefully you're working this long time.
I hope.
Yeah. And not really a lot customer, right?
Yeah.
What day for a lot customer?
Mm,
Isang adlaw nga daghang customer.
ga depende ra.
It depends.
Yeah.
How about Sunday?
Mingaw kaayo.
Riding. Tricycle, the car.
Traste? Wala na rin traste?
Naaman?
Lakaw siya?
You can drink the. I give the buy for
Thank
one
you so
guy.
much. Juice.
Only juice. Sorry, that is only juice I buy because I find the what I call that halo-halo
Yeah.
fruit. I'm not see only the pineapple juice. So it's okay with you that?
Yeah, it's okay. Thank you so much.
I buy next time like what I call that halo-halo fruit.
Thank you.
Ako?
50 pesos.
50, 20 and 50. Thank you, Bessel.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.